Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Minecraft chicken. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a square for the shape of the head. Next, let's hop inside and we're going to draw a line across for the top of the beak. Then for the eyes on top, let's draw 2 lines up. And then bring it out at the top. And then color them both in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. From the bottom corners, let's draw a small line outwards. Then let's bring it down on both sides. And a line across at the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's hop in and let's draw 2 lines down underneath the sides of the head. And a line across at the bottom. Now let's hop in and let's draw 2 more lines down. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the wings on the sides. From the top, let's draw a line out. Then let's bring it down, stopping here. And then bring it back in at the bottom. And that's it for the wings. Now let's move underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down on the left. And the same thing on the right. Now at the bottom, let's draw a longer line across. Bring it down from the ends. And then a line across to form a rectangle. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. And that's it for this Minecraft chicken. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!